Rich Tehrani with TMC here. We are at CES 2013. We're at the Joy Factory booth. We're speaking with Jeff Carter. Jeff, hi, and welcome to the show.
Hi, nice to meet you guys.
So show me, what is it here you got in your hand?
So here we've got the new Action Pro iPad case. It's a military grade, shock-proof, waterproof. It'll float, it's fully waterproof. You can drop it on concrete multiple times, and it will basically protect your iPad from about any accident you could think of.
So basically protecting a very valuable piece of electronics.
Yep, that's correct. And it also works with our mounts. So we have accessories for it, hand straps, shoulder straps, and it'll work with our line of carbon fiber Mag Connect mounts that will go on wheelchairs, forklift trucks, cars, desktops, just about anywhere you can put a mount.
Excellent. What else do you have for us today?
Let me show you. So here's the wheelchair mount. This is a winner of the Innovations and Design for this year at CES. It's also a finalist in the Best of iLounge. So as you can see, the iPad in the tray will magnetically attaches to the mount, and then you tighten it up in place so it won't come out. And it'll attach to any wheelchair and it will give you full viewing angles, 360, 720, whatever angle you like.
Excellent. What's next?
We'll go over here to the waterproof cases right here. So here's the Action Pro iPhone case. Again, fully waterproof. It works with a selection of mounts. If you want to mount it to a motorcycle, a car, a bike, it just attaches to the back of the case, and then you got a bike mount. We have a shoulder strap for this as well if you want to take it jogging. So you've got a shoulder strap for it as well. We also have a line of cases, rugged cases and water-resistant cases for the mini iPad and the phone.
Excellent. What else should we know?
We've got a lot of new products coming out this year. We've got a lot of cases. Waterproof cases are a main focus for us, so you'll see a lot more from us in 2013.
Thanks for being on the program.
Thank you.